Hey there, design lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about something we all know too well. Interior design trends. Did you know they can shift as fast as every 6 months? What's in today might be out before you've even had a chance to enjoy it. And let me tell you, one of the hottest trends right now. Oh, you're going to have to stick around to find out. Keeping up with these fast-paced trends? I get it, it's overwhelming. It's all about that minimalistic, neutral vibe. Next, we're flooded with bold colors and crazy patterns everywhere. But that's why you're here. I'm going to help you navigate through it all. Today, we'll break down the top 2025 trends, so you can stay ahead of the curve without sacrificing your own style. Sound good? Let's dive in. So, the first big trend for 2025? Earthy tones and natural textures. Soft, muted browns, sandy beiges, warm grays. It's like bringing the outside in, but without the bugs, right? Now, mix in some natural textures, raw wood, stone, woven fabrics. It's all about creating a cozy, grounding space. Trust me, you'll be seeing a lot of this in 2025, and it's the perfect way to make your home feel like a sanctuary. Okay, let's talk about something important, sustainability. In 2025, we're seeing a huge shift towards sustainable and upcycled materials. This isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle. You'll notice more eco-friendly furniture, reclaimed wood, and recycled materials taking center stage. And it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. You're not only creating a stylish home, but you're also making choices that are kinder to the planet. Minimalism is still going strong, but here's the twist for 2025, it's cozy. Think Scandinavian design meets Japanese minimalism, also known as Japandi. We're talking about simple, functional spaces that still feel warm and inviting. It's all about balance and calm. Like your home is giving you a hug after a long day. In 2025, ceilings are no longer the forgotten fifth wall. People are going bold, think color, patterns, even unique lighting fixtures. It's all about drawing the eye upwards. So if you want to make a statement without cluttering your space, look up and go wild with your ceiling. Minimalists, cover your ears for this one, because maximalism is back. 2025 is all about that more is more mindset. Bold patterns, vibrant colors, and layering textures like there's no tomorrow. But here's the thing, it's not chaotic. Maximalism is about curated excess, where every piece has a story. If you're someone who loves expressing personality through decor, this trend is going to be your new best friend. And finally, the retro revival. We're seeing a big throwback to the 70s and 80s, but with a modern twist. Think geometric patterns, retro furniture, and those iconic lighting fixtures we all secretly love. It's a nod to the past, but done in a way that feels fresh and updated. It's all about balancing that nostalgic vibe while keeping things current. So, there you have it, the top interior design trends for 2025. Remember, while it's fun to keep up with trends, your space should reflect you. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't, and make your home your happy place. Now, I want to hear from you. Which trend are you most excited about? Drop a comment down below and let's chat. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of the design game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for hanging out, and until next time, happy decorating!